Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will share with you a PSA or comparisons of a clone of a Three Rivers Manufacturing Atom. So I got this one I don't know, a couple of years ago and never made a video about it just because it flied around under my radar, so let's say it. So I did not know what the knife was clone about or what knife it was. So when I found out that it is a Atom, I was really intrigued because I did saw that there's definitely something there. So I like the shape, so it was really inexpensive. I don't know how much it was. $40, $50, I don't know. So definitely on the lower budget scale. So I ordered one just to say, just to experience the design. Usually, it is one of the best ways how to experience and the shape, and then you definitely can better decide if you would like to spend the money on the real deal, if you have those kind of money, and if not, then if you're happy with it, then you are happy with it. So when I got this one, I put it on in my pocket, and definitely from the first day I was really intrigued about it. It has really nice shape, good action. The pocket clip is medium to light stiffness, how it's supposed to be. Yes, unfortunately, no flush screws, but not that the real deal has different ones. But yeah, so I did put it in my drawer and basically used it as a shopping knife when I got it out buy some groceries and had to cut maybe some kind of packaging or vegetables inside the shop. Then I use it for that action. So it served me very well, and I was on the lookout to get the real one or not. So but first let's talk about the clone here. So this is a clone, not a fake. Why? It's because, as you can see, there are no markings, only the blade steel 40C20N, and no logos, nothing that would infringe upon the name. So this should be not confused as a real deal. More perspective. So finally I got one of them, and I opted for the Burled micarta. Just to show you. So there's the logo, of course, TRM USA 20CV. So the clone is definitely a much thicker knife. So I was really happy with the overall package of the design of the knife, of course, but oh boy, when I got the real one, so this is so much lightweight, so it is definitely thinner, and also the scales are thinner. These are titanium liners inside here, so super thin, super lightweight. So I was really surprised with the real deal. So some maybe will say that it's not always the better thing to have a knife as thick, thin and as lightweight as possible, just because if you have to use it a little bit harder, then you are basically can stumble upon problems, like it could break on you or bend. But yes, let's face it, this is a gentleman's knife. This is not a knife to pry or botan with or do any kind of excessive. This is a knife for a gentleman, for if you work around the house, in office. Also, it definitely can help you out on the road if you have to prepare some meals and cut some things. No problems, but definitely not a hard super hard to use knife just because it is so lightweight, so thin. I would probably be hesitant to use it really hard, and definitely at this price point that I will baby this one here. So for harder work, I have some more Emersons or so on. But let's go back to the clone basically. So I was really really happy with the overall package, what it represented. Because usually, if you are nowadays you're looking knives from China, you will definitely have clones everywhere. So everybody is faking, cloning, using logos, trademarks, and so on. But this company, for some reason, just wanted to produce knife, and I don't know if previous versions of the Atom were so thick, because when I saw lots of the pictures and I found out what the knife is in actually is, I saw most those designs were like this one here, so they were contoured. And if you don't know, the TRM is a platform basically. So it's one of the first companies, production companies, who came out with hot swappable, not hot swappable, because you have to unscrew these two screws, but you definitely don't have to do anything about the pivot. So you just take these screws out, obviously also the pocket clip, and you can put whatever scales you have. They have like 80 different designs also so on available. So, and you can also 3D print your own if you like. So that is definitely interesting thing nowadays. But the clone here was really interesting, and like I mentioned, it was inexpensive. Usually your run-of-the-mill QSPs, CGRBs, not to say about the CVV Kaiser, do cost much more than this one. So I bought one, and I was really happy with it. So a couple of years passed, and when one of my dealers finally, because it is a little bit problematic here to get USA made knives here in Europe, because not a lot of dealers carry them, and if they carry them, they'll usually asking really high prices because of the import fees and so on. So, but when these came in for a good price, I jumped on it, and yeah, the rest is history. But this should be probably still available on AliExpress. And sorry, I don't know the name, I don't know the shop, maybe probably not even existing, because like I mentioned, I bought this one really a couple of years ago, and usually those shops on AliExpress do not last so long. So lots of them are fakes anyway. So they sell a couple of knives and they vanish. So, but yeah, if you like, you can definitely try to track one down. Just take the picture, and on AliExpress you can search by picture uploading. So if they are still available, you can definitely find one for yourself and experience the beautiful TRM Atom design for yourself. And then maybe one day you can get one of these. I have to say there is also a smaller version. It's called the Neutron, and yes, unfortunately, also the real deal has dome screws in 2025. So I know what's going on, but yeah, it is what it is. So anyway, I would like to thank you for watching. I always appreciate you taking your time watching my videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. With that being said, if you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. With that being said, wish you a wonderful day. God bless you soon. Bye.